hide in your name. They speak like the flame is your burden and shame. But child, you're already a psalm in the womb, a cradle of hope, not a shadow